the hassle of bulky baby clothes or thick onesies. On frozen winter mornings or chilly summer evenings, the Cozy Cover keeps your baby protected from the elements in ultra-soft comfort. Cozy Covers are universally engineered with a shower cap design to fit all standard baby carriers. Each Cozy Cover also features dual zippers for easy access and seals your baby into durable, weather-proof protection. Cozy Covers do not interfere with any of the child's safety straps and keep your baby snuggled in warmth on cold winter mornings while your car is still in that deep freeze. You might need that jacket, but your baby doesn't. Just zip up your baby's Cozy Cover and off you go. With lots of color options available, you can keep your baby carrier looking fashionable all the time. The Cozy Cover, making your baby's carrier his or her favorite place to be while you're on the go.
It became personal recently. When Alma, my daughter, was born, I started to look at the effect of urban air pollution on babies' health. What I found wasn't good, to say the least. That's when I came up with Breezy.
Breezy is an app-operated dual fan filter that cleans the air in a baby's or child's breathing area. It's an autonomous device that is activated when high pollution levels are detected by the sensors attached. The urban environment exposes us to a large variety of pollutants. Carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, particles of metal, rubber and dust are all present in the air we breathe every day. Children are particularly vulnerable. Their lungs and immune system are not fully developed during their first few years of life, putting them at greater risk when exposed to air pollution. 30 to 60 centimeters above ground is where the heaviest, most dangerous particles are concentrated. Breezy is designed to stay with you and your child throughout the day. It delivers 1.5 litres of filtered air every 10 seconds to babies' or toddlers' breathing area through its patented innovative filter. This unique and high-quality filter is a multi-layered, medical-grade, nanometric woven fabric. The woven layer removes particulates and the carbon layer removes harmful gases, reducing both particles and chemicals being inhaled.
There are a number of ways of reducing the exposure of the pollutants. One of the simple ways is to find the route where you can avoid the hotspots. The other way is to create a clean air zone around it, and Breezy can provide both these solutions.
Breezy has undergone a series of tests led by Professor Prashant Kumar.
What we wanted to see is how clean actually this can make the air for the kids who might be sitting in this kind of prams.
The Breezy app visualizes pollution data in the form of a real-time heat map, which is updated by users' sensor readings. Breezy has a sensor-only option that can be used separately with the free app. This information is collated and displayed in map form via the app and the website, sharing air quality information visually within the Breezy community.
So as you can see in the real world scenario, you're really seeing a lot of these spikes, and these spikes are normally due to the fact that there are buses which are idling, or there are emissions actually coming from other different sources. When you look at the blue curve actually, so that seems to have removed these spikes, creating a much cleaner zone, removing those bigger spikes and the higher concentration inhaled by the children sitting in the prams.
Protect your loved ones and inform the community about air quality. Join Breezy.
And they believe that they and their babies are on the same page. They are not. And sometimes this happens.
Oh, look at you, all not washed and cold.
All right, we got this. We're just taking a break. Oh no.
Introducing the new Earmo Smart Thermometer, a doctor and a thermometer in one device. The Earmo Smart Thermometer can detect...
Got it.
Oh, it just did.
Oh, that can't be right.
Yep, it literally takes 1 second. And you can clearly see the temperature through Earmo's sleek LED display.
I got it.
By swiping your finger, you can see the previous temperatures.
That can't be right.
The data is instantly transferred onto your phone, where you can compare her current temperature with her past records. And if you're unsure about her symptoms, you can consult the app.
Babe, I think she has I can't pronounce it, but it seems serious.
And if you want an easy confirmation, simply send the data from the app to her family physician. With a quick confirmation from her doctor, Jenna is feeling pretty good about herself and about Earmo. And with Earmo, you can check your child's temperature anytime, anywhere.
Okay. Yeah, it's happening again.
The Earmo Smart Thermometer won't turn you into an amazing parent overnight, but it might make your life just a little bit easier.
Daddy, I think you're sick.
Angel. Before Ray Baby here showed up like a knight in shining armor, you and your baby were constantly losing sleep.
Excuse me.
And when you finally were able to get some work done, you could hardly focus on anything because you were constantly thinking about the baby. And let's face it, that old baby monitor you were using just wasn't much help. Now you have Ray Baby on call 24/7 with the first truly smart non-contact baby wellness tracker. With this brand new state-of-the-art technology, parents are able to track their baby's vitals, such as respiration rate and sleeping habits. Ray Baby is light and easy to mount. Simple setup, no complicated hardware, no lithium batteries. Ray's technology is superior. Similar to ultrasound, Ray Baby has an ultra-wideband radar to track vitals, all at a safe distance so your baby can rest comfortably. And now you can finally sleep in peace, knowing your little bundle of joy is safe and sound. It's scientifically proven that sleep is extremely important for your baby's mental and physical development. Try organizing your days based on Ray Baby's data and see how much your lives improve. Don't worry, Ray Baby notifies you when she's awake and gives you some recommendations based off of your baby's vitals and sleep patterns. We know that life is not all sunshine and rainbows 365 days a year, and those days when your baby is sick are some of the most nerve-wracking of all. But when you have Ray Baby reporting accurate vitals around the clock, you're able to pinpoint the problem and immediately take action. Now your baby is always a button away, closer and safer than ever. You can ease your mind knowing your baby doesn't just appear to be doing fine. Now you'll know for certain that everything's okay, and when all your friends and family badger you for updates and more pictures of the little Princess Buttercup, you can show them significant moments like this, and this. Supported by Johnson & Johnson Innovation and HAC's Joint Consumer Health Device Accelerator Program, our team is always thinking about the baby's safety first. That's why we developed this non-contact wellness baby tracker, made with FDA-approved components only. So no matter how far away you are, you'll always feel right at home with the one you love most.
While working on my PhD, I realized that 60 seconds could change the world. That's because it only takes 60 seconds of UV LED light to kill the germs that have plagued humankind since the beginning of time. Just 60 seconds.
Underdeveloped immune systems are unable to fight off deadly germs and viruses, which is why there is Ellie, the world's first portable medical-grade sterilizer. Just place your baby's bottle, pacifier, or teething ring into Ellie, and in 60 seconds, it's germ-free.
UV light, particularly UVC, which is a particular type of UV, kills all sorts of germs, including viruses, bacteria, and fungi, by damaging their DNA or RNA.
Ellie runs on a rechargeable battery, and it's very compact, so you can take it anywhere. And while it's great for bottles and binkies, Ellie can sterilize anything that fits into the chamber, including water for mixing formula, small toys, or even breast pump accessories. Just put it into the Ellie, and in 60 seconds, it's safe to use.
Ellie's True Violet UV digital technology kills germs and viruses at the core by breaking their DNA strand, including antibiotic-resistant superbugs.
We clearly do need to have available portable devices for when we're carrying around food or other items, such as baby bottles or other types of things that might become contaminated, and particularly with a more vulnerable population, such as a very young child.
True Violet technology also has many promising applications that address global concerns such as air and water sterilization, especially in areas without centralized water supply or electricity. And 60 seconds is all it takes. Thank you for your time.